Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix cloudy internal server error. If you are facing error issues, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, there might be problem for the app. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or use the system while data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. Then the another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Google Play Store or App Store, search for the app, tap on search and search for the app. Tap update option if it is available. After the update, sometimes old version may not work properly. So the other step is clear app cache. Clearing app cache can fix many problems. Then for the app cache, clear app cache, go to your phone setting, click on app management or apps, then go to app list or apps, then search for the app and tap on storage and cache, click clear cache. This helps temporary files causing problems. And the last step is wait for contact support. Sometimes cloudy server may be down. Check the official status page or contact support if it is perished. And that's how you can fix internal server error on cloudy. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.